I guess, for many reasons, sort of mainstream Judaism, it just sort of didn't really sort of relate to me for whatever reason. I think, one thing that's sort of not talked about enough is the aesthetics of Judaism. We talk about Judaism as a religious system. We talk about it as, I guess, in terms of, the culture, as a system of, as an ethical code, peoplehood. But I think that's gone missing a little too much is a discussion of Judaism as really an aesthetic cultural, as an aesthetic system. And so that's why I like sort of a lot of the changes in, for instance, synagogue music over the last 30 years have sort of, gone away that, I just feel it's sort of left too much of the aesthetic sensibility that I, grew up with behind. And so I think, in many ways, klezmer, also, klezmer is a way sort of, it provides an alternative to a lot of sort of the mainstream Jewish politics. I think on everything from, Israel to, I don't know, issues in the American society. And it gives you a way to sort of create a world that's much more customized to you and your sensibilities. It's another portal you have to a meaningful Jewish life. And so so getting to know, I mean, not only the music itself, but this whole community of people that's now international. It's been it's just been a wonderful way to really connect with people and be part of a social movement that's goes beyond us, but there's and it's a very diverse social movement, but there's also sort of core tendencies towards maybe, for instance, progressive politics or what have you, that a lot of us find comfort in, and find sort of a our own place in the universe through.